Welcome, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome once again to Business Pe Charcha with Business Leadership League, the largest ecosystem for aspiring entrepreneurs. Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this video, our expert Kripanand Chidambaram, who is the business head of Mark Creative, will talk about Google My Business and why it is so effective and important for us to use it for our business. You know, it's a free tool, but it can really bring in a lot of impact if you know how to use it. So let's understand.
So as soon as I searched Business Leadership League, then it has identified, okay, there is a business called as Business Leadership League, and it has come. So if we quickly see whatever we said, वो आ जाता है. If I want to know what is their actual website, so I can know this. So I will not have any confusion. Say if there are 3 or 4 getting listed and we are not actually sure what is the URL. So if it is coming from my account or from the owner's account, so you exactly know this is the website, and you will not have any confusion. Now this is the direction I was talking about, correct? So if you do it through mobile or from here, if I just click this, it will automatically take you to the
map.
Google Map. Put your location and it will start coming. So that problem is also getting resolved, correct? Now,
it is showing our office. Wonderful.
Absolutely. Now I can also say many times if I keep coming to this office regularly, correct? So I don't want to keep searching. I can just save. So whenever I browse next time, this will as a result will be given preference, and you can automatically without locating or without struggling to locate this, you can easily find this. Now, if I want to really directly make a call from here, if I just press that, so whatever number you have attached to this thing, so again, there is a number mentioned here, so it will appear here. So this will be the working hours. So if it is a retail store, obviously it will be at what time so since I think Business Leadership League, you guys are doing many things digital, so it's as good as you're open 24 hours. Now if I want to ask a question, so I can also ask a question here. If I want to so what is the send this to your phone, matlab now I want this direction to come to my mobile. So if I just put this and put my mobile number, this whole link will come to my mobile number as a thing, so I can easily save and I can also keep it. That's the convenience of this. Now look at these reviews. Now if somebody wants to know what exactly, so I can look at all the reviews here. So एक quick glance में अभी क्या हो जाता है website, if you see all this information can also be made available in website, and many of us have these information in the website as well, but उसमें क्या है, there is no एक pattern नहीं है, correct?
Right.
So then people find it very difficult. यहाँ क्या, you know exactly this is what मुझे basically 70-75% of all of us, if you are trying to Google the business name, there is a good chance that you want to only find these 3 things. These many things, 6, 7, 10 items which I listed, correct? तो एक quickly उन्होंने list कर दिया, तो it becomes very, very, very convenient, quick and fast way to get that information.
मतलब एक simple, very, very simple format.
Absolutely. For example, a lot of us are very comfortable knowing about, let's say there is a celebrity or there is about a country or a company or anything. Instead of going and visiting their personal information, we would want to visit through Wikipedia or something.
Exactly. Right.
Why? Because there is a pattern. They said, okay, personal information, there is a pattern. So it's very, very important. There is a structure to your information. That's why when I think maybe in previous sessions also, I always used to say that when you even also design a website, always keep in mind the structure. How do you present your information? That's very, very important. Nobody has that इतना bandwidth नहीं है, इतना energy नहीं है, इतना time नहीं है कि वो they all dig through and जाके research करके they want to know something about it. It never happens that way. You need to pay attention to this. See, this website is your digital identity, correct? You spend lakhs, crores, and you're putting so much money to create a very strong organization. You have a lot of aspirations. You want to grow, but you don't pay attention, time or energy to present that to your organization, to the general public or to the customers or prospects. That's very, very unfortunate. A lot of people, I don't know, since I'm in this business, people come and say that यार 5,000 में website बन जाता है, 10,000 में. They're just looking at the question itself was wrong. Anybody, in my personal experience, anybody who comes to me and asks me, sir, मुझे website बनाना है, कितना लगेगा? If that is the first question, I'm completely put off. I don't even want to work with them, because it is not about cost. The first question is that I have this business, I have this aspiration, this is my customer segment, this is my unique proposition, this is my unique selling point. Please, can you help me take it to the larger audience, or can you present this information in a very, very useful and simpler manner? अगर ये आप question पूछोगे, then it's very interesting for us to create a good structure, think through some ideas and stuff like that. आप पहले आके बोलेगा 5,000 में वेबसाइट बनेगा, 10,000 में, 40,000 में वेबसाइट बनते हैं, मतलब then it's okay. Your idea is not that just to get a website. मतलब I would rather suggest don't even make a website. Just आपका at least Google में business में profile complete करके रख दीजिए. It's a free account. At least information, whatever they want, it's very, very structured. So don't just make a website or don't do anything digital identity if you don't pay attention, because it's your identity ultimately. अगर वो अपने आप को present नहीं कर पा रहा, might as well don't present it.
BLL session. That to be here. BLL. So glad to be part of
BLL.